All right, you are tuned in to Rockin' with the Rook. As always, these videos are brought to you by Advanced Diagnostics USA. I'm currently working on a 2023 push-start Mitsubishi Outlander. This is a full size, and we are going to be pulling the module like on a Rogue and programming keys. So to start, pull this down. There's a screw there, and then there's also a screw right here. So I'm going to take off those screws, pull this panel off here, and then we'll come back. Alright, so I've loosened my screws, pulled the dash back. There's two screws here, like on the Rogue, that are holding the module back there, and we got to get this fuse panel off. And right there, there's a little piece you push in, and the box slides out. It's just me here, so I wish I had another person, but that's okay. So we're going to pull the fuse panel back and get the module out to plug into. So I have everything pulled out, and we do have our Nissan 2017 cable. We're going to be pulling this white plug and plugging the 2017 cable in. Alright, so we are all plugged in with our 2017 cable. It's a little tight, but it works. Ignition is off, hazards are on. There's our vehicle info. We're going to go to program keys. Yes, our 2017 connector is connected. We have our key. Hold the first prox key to the start stop button with the logo facing the button. Okay, start stop button is up here. Key reading error. Yes. Okay. Alright, so after a couple attempts, I did get it to read successfully. No, we don't want to analyze another one. You can only use one virgin prox per session. Hold the first virgin key up to the start stop button with the logo facing the button. So that's what I was doing on the key analysis. I wasn't holding it with the logo facing the button. Okay. It is a little finicky about where you want the key to be. Success, add another key. No. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. 2023 Mitsubishi Outlander. Programming with the Smart Pro and the 2017 cable. Just remember that the prox is a little finicky about where it is on the start button. So if you get errors, just keep trying.